Hello YouTubers and DIYs. Today I'm going to show you how to do a quick restoration of your headlight lenses. And we're going to take you from a lens that looks like this. I'm not sure if this is showing up in the lighting or not, which is really quite yellowed and faded, to a lens that looks like this, which I've actually already restored. And this is on my 2004 Toyota 4Runner, which I'm actually getting ready to sell. And today I'm just going to be using my Milwaukee buffer, which I buffed with for 14 years. Some Meguiar's Pro Speed Compound 100. It's pretty aggressive. And then some 1500 and 2000 grit sanding blocks. And what it is I'm going to sand down the headlight lens. What happens is there's a clear coat on the lenses, and they'll degrade after so many years, and you just have to sand that the imperfections off, the surface off, level it up, and then once you level it up and smooth it up really good, then you get it clear again. So all I'm going to do is just start with my 1500 grit. And it really doesn't take that long. These headlights aren't as bad as some. I've seen some that are really bad, and you can do the same process for others as well. And all I'm doing is I'm just removing the imperfections off of the surface. And leveling it, just like you would on paint. If your headlight lens is really bad, you may consider going with much more aggressive sandpaper, such as 400 to 600 to maybe 8. And at that point you would need to apply a clear coat. But in this instance, I feel pretty good about just going with my 1500 grit and then the 2000. And I believe I'm leaving enough clear on it that I won't have to spray any more clear. Now I'm going to switch to my 2000. And it just cracks me up. You get tired of seeing these people suggest using toothpaste and such as that. I mean, yeah, sure, you could use toothpaste on something that really didn't need it, you know, but it's just, why not use the proper materials and the proper tools for the job? I mean, you could use a shoe to hammer nails with as well, right? And if that's what you want to do, then have at it. Otherwise, this really is about a five-minute project per lens, and you're good to go. One thing you have to be careful about when you're buffing, though, is be careful to not burn your lens, because these are plastic. So you just have to know how to use your buffer and the compounds that you're using. As you can see, it's already turning up pretty nice. And if I wanted to go further, I could come back with a like a machine glaze or something. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So it went from that really bad dull to it's just about crystal clear and newish again. Anyhow, right tools and right equipment for the right job. Hope this helps somebody.